Hello, everyone, and welcome back to M English Channel, the place where English feels alive, simple, and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's always great to be here. How are you feeling today, Emily?
Honestly, Paul, I feel fantastic. My heart feels light, and I'm excited about what's ahead. The future feels wide open.
The future, huh? That's a massive word. It sounds like both mystery and promise at the same time.
Exactly. That's what makes it such a powerful topic. Today, we're going to talk about the future, your plans, your dreams, your goals in English.
Beautiful. Talking about the future is not just grammar. It's about hope, vision, and direction. But before we dive in, let's share a quick message with our listeners.
Yes, if you're enjoying this journey with us, please take a moment to subscribe to M English Channel.
And don't forget to give this episode a like and share it with friends. Your support means everything.
Exactly. Okay, Paul, let's open the door to the future. Where do we begin?
Maybe with a simple moment. Emily, what will you do right after this podcast?
After this? Honestly, I think I will drink a tall glass of cold water.
That's a refreshing plan. And notice how you said it. I will drink a glass of water. That's the future in action.
Yes, the word will is our magic key here. W-I-L-L. It takes something not yet real and speaks it into the future.
And it's wonderfully easy. We use will when we decide something on the spot or when we make a simple prediction.
Exactly. Like you just did, Paul. You didn't plan days ago to drink water. You decided right now, I will drink water.
Perfect example. It's not a grand plan. It's a small decision for the near future. Can I give one more?
Go ahead.
I'm feeling a little hungry. So I think I will eat a sandwich after this.
Perfect again. You're hungry now, so you decide now. I will eat a sandwich. Clear, simple, universal.
And the best part, it never changes form. I will. You will. He will. She will. We will. They will. Always the same.
That's what makes it powerful. For example, my friend Sarah will call me tonight. Or my neighbors will watch a movie later.
And what about questions? How do we shape a question with will?
Good one. We just flip the order. Instead of you will come to the party, we ask, will you come to the party?
So simple. Like this, Emily, will it be sunny tomorrow?
I hope so. I can answer, yes, it will, or no, it won't.
Wait, won't?
Yes, won't is the short form of will not. It's the negative, so it won't be sunny tomorrow.
Got it. I will eat a sandwich, but I won't eat a giant pizza for lunch.
Same here. So that's will. Quick decisions, predictions, or facts. But what if we want to talk about real plans, Paul?
Real plans, when you've already decided. For that, we switch gears. Emily, what are you doing this weekend?
I actually have a plan. On Saturday, I'm going to visit my parents.
There it is. I am going to visit. That's how we talk about planned actions. Going to.
Exactly. When something is already decided, we use going to. Visiting my parents isn't random. It's my weekend plan.
Right, so it's different from the glass of water. This is deliberate, organized. Let me try. I am going to clean my apartment.
That's definitely a plan. And notice the structure. I am going to clean. It requires the verb to be.
Very true. For me, I am going to clean. For you, I am going to visit. And for Mark, our friend, he is going to play soccer.
Yes, and for Maria and David, they are going to have a party.
Exactly. We line up the subject plus am, is, or are, plus going to, plus verb. It's longer than will, but it shows preparation.
It's more solid, more intentional. Like me saying, next week, I'm going to start reading a new English book.
That's an excellent plan. And I'll share mine. Next month, I'm going to the beach for a few days.
Wow, a real vacation. And it's not just talk. You already have tickets in a hotel. That's a fixed plan. So going to fits perfectly.
Exactly. So we can see the contrast. Will is for maybe or quick decisions. Going to is for real, grounded plans.
And talking about plans always leads to dreams. Paul, what do you think of dreams?
Oh, I love dreams. Dreams are like stars. They guide us, even when far away.
That's beautiful. And yes, dreams are big plans for your soul. They motivate, inspire, and give life meaning.
And we can talk about dreams with both will and going to. Like, one day, I will be a doctor.
Yes, that's a powerful dream. I will be a doctor. And then a concrete step. I am going to study biology next year.
So the dream paints the vision, and the plan builds the bridge.
Exactly. A dream without a plan is just a wish.
And small steps matter most. For example, if your dream is, I will speak English fluently, then your plan could be, tomorrow I am going to watch one episode of M English Channel.
Or this week, I am going to learn 10 new words.
Yes, small steps, small victories, they add up to big achievements.
That's the secret. Don't just dream, plan. Even the tiniest action can unlock the future.
Emily, do you have a big dream of your own?
Oh, yes, Paul. One day, I will write a book for children.
That's a beautiful dream. And honestly, I believe you will do it. You have such a gift for storytelling.
Thank you, Paul. But I know it's not enough to dream. That's why I made a plan. This month, I'm going to write one page every single day.
Brilliant. One page a day feels small, but after a month, you'll have 30 pages. That's how big dreams are born, out of consistent small steps.
Exactly. Sometimes a dream feels so big, it scares us. But when we break it into small steps, it becomes possible.
I feel that too. My dream is to travel the world. If I think about all the countries at once, it feels impossible.
Yes, that can feel overwhelming.
But instead, I focus on today. Today, I'm not going to buy that expensive coffee. Instead, I'm going to save the money.
Perfect. One small action for today brings you closer to a big dream tomorrow.
Exactly. And for our listeners, your dreams are important. Never let anyone tell you they're too big or too late.
Yes, it's never too late for a new dream or a new plan. The future is a blank page, and you hold the pen.
That's powerful. You are going to write your future with every choice you make.
So let's give our listeners some practical tools, time words, words that help us say when in the future.
Great idea, like tomorrow, the day after today. Example, I will call you tomorrow, or I am going to the supermarket tomorrow.
Exactly. Or tonight, the evening of today. Example, we are going to watch a movie tonight.
Then we have next week. Example, I am going to start my new job next week.
Or next month. Example, she is going to have a baby next month. That's a big plan.
Very big. And next year. Example, we are going to buy a new car next year.
These time words are like road signs. They show exactly when the plan will happen.
And we can be even more specific. In 2 days, in 3 weeks, in 5 years.
For example, my brother is going to visit me in 2 days. I'm so excited.
And mine, in 10 years, I will live in a house by the beach. That's part of my dream.
Beautiful. Using will makes it sound full of hope and possibility.
Yes, because the future is a place of hope. Making plans gives us control, but dreaming gives us wings.
Perfectly said, Paul. Let's do a quick review. When do we use will?
We use will for quick decisions, predictions, or simple facts. Example, I think it will rain tomorrow.
Correct. And going to.
We use going to for real plans, things already decided. Example, I am going to study English tonight.
Excellent. And beyond grammar, we learned something deeper today, that dreams matter, but plans make them real.
Yes, don't just wish. Plan. Even the smallest step counts.
Wow, Paul, I feel inspired. After this, I'm going to write my one page for the day.
And I'm going to put some money into my travel fund.
That's the spirit. And we hope all of you listening feel inspired too.
Exactly. And with that, we reach the end of today's episode on Miss English Channel.
It was such a joy to talk about the future with you all.
Yes, and before we go, we have one small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe so you won't miss the next one.
And give us a like. Share this podcast with your friends and family who are learning English. Your support keeps this community growing.
And now for the best part, we want you to practice.
Yes, write a comment below. Tell us one thing you are going to do tomorrow and one big dream you have for your future.
Use will or going to. We can't wait to read your stories.
Sharing dreams makes them stronger.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing, keep dreaming, keep smiling.
Until next time, goodbye, everyone.
Take care, friends.